Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today you're going to be confronted with a coin that you've probably been seeing quite a few times by other coin tubers. It seems that even though it's a fairly low mintage, a lot of them have seemed to come over to the UK. They are the black rimmed or black outside $2 memorial coin. They're known as the black rim coin. It shows a portrait in the gold centre or the brass centre of our late Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, and it was a portrait of her that was issued in the 77th year of her life. This is a memorial coin from Canada, as I said. On the reverse, you still got the black rim. You have the Canada and the $2 notification, and then on the top here you have an area that looks like it's almost holographic. It's like the Harry Potter lightning and 25-year emblem. It changes. I'm not sure if you can see it too clearly as I tilt the coin. But it is a security feature, and in the centre, in the brass coloured centre, there is a polar bear, which is the normal $2 central character. This was a special mint run on behalf of the Canadian Mint, and there are only 5 million of them minted, which is a very low figure for Canada. So there was just 5 million of those, and there seems to be an awful lot of them here in the UK as a memorial to Her late Majesty the Queen. I actually love this coin. I think it's very good of the Canadians to do something like this. It's unusual. Why the UK Mint can't produce a memorial coin with a black edge, I don't know. It seems to be done a lot by Canada. It's also been a blackened type coin that was produced for the penny black by Gibraltar. So it can be done. I just don't understand why the British haven't done it, black being a memorial colour. However, as with other coins that I've done short videos on, I'm very happy to have this one in my collection. As I say, the mintage is low for Canada. Now, let me just take you up and take out a little bit. For those of you who enjoyed this hunt, or enjoyed this review, should I say, please give me a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. And for those of you who have yet to subscribe to my channel, I would love you to do so if you believe I deserve your subscription. I would like very much to have more subscribers to my channel over the current year. As I said before, I'm aiming for 200 by the end of the year. I'm a good way into that now. But I would love I think it's 48 to 51% of the people who view my channel who aren't yet subscribed to at least think about subscribing to the channel. But only if you believe I deserve it. For those people having a coin hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. For those of you who are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you would like to pay. And finally, as finishing, I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. And until we meet up again on this channel, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-ra now.